finally, because nimeona akiwa pale kanisani ameongea, wacha nimjibu. Nimjibu si mjibu? William Ruto, I have seen when you were in Machakos, you have said that the opposition have no policy, have no sera, and you need to know how they will improve on your policies and your programs. Mr. President, it is not possible to improve most of your programs. Your biggest program is lying. We obviously cannot improve on it. We want to bring a new government to put an end to lying. Mr. President, your legacy is abduction. How can we improve on abduction? We shall bring an end to abductions. Mr. President, your other big legacy is killing young children. How can you challenge us to improve on killing young children? We shall stop it and never allow it. William Ruto, you have done so well in corruption. How can you challenge us to improve on corruption? We can't, of course. We must bring an end to corruption in our country. William Ruto, you have done so well in destruction of institutions of oversight. You have captured parliament. You have captured all institutions of oversight. How can you ask us to improve on destroying institutions? We will restore institutions so that they can provide oversight. Parliament will be independent. Judiciary will be independent. All other organizations of oversight will be enhanced and funded. Of course, it is mannerless for you to ask us to improve on raiding the payslip. You have raided the payslip. How can we improve on that? We must free the payslip and restore the dignity of the payslip and the payslip holder so that the middle class can create employment. I have seen you say that we need to improve on your policies. All roads, Mau Mau roads, all tarmac roads started by Uhuru Kenyatta have stalled. How do we improve on installing them further? We must revive all those projects. And finally, I have seen you say that you did not overpromise. I want to correct you. You didn't overpromise, you overlied. Tumemjibu watu ya mjibu. And finally, because mimi nataka muniulize maswali, si ndio? Si ndio? I just wanted to tell you that we are okay. By the way, we are okay. We are suffering, yes. The English say the darkest hour is just before dawn. It's very dark now. It's pitch dark. We are almost there. Light is almost coming. All these killings will come to an end. All these abductions will come to an end. All this corruption will come to an end. Na huyo jamaa tumemsukuma kwa kona, isipokuwa hawezi kubali, analia kama panya imeshikwa na mtego. Leo Nakuru, our team was there, Nakuru County, for DCP. And they don't attack other parties, because most of the parties are sponsored by William Ruto. DCP is the only party that he knows. One, he cannot compromise, he cannot bias, and he cannot intimidate us. So walikuwa naenda subuki ya kanisa, wakitaka kwenda mikutano, wakafurushwa na polisi. I have talked to the police in Nakuru and they are crying. They are saying the husband of Governor Susan Kehika, called Samburu, is the one who is giving instructions to police. I asked police, as who? No, he has said The wife is in charge of the county government, and him, he is in charge of the national government in Nakuru. How so? He says, tells the police, I am the business partner of William Ruto. All the meters that are sold to Kenya Power, I am the one who imports them on behalf of William Ruto and shares profit with him. All the fertilizer that is bought in the country, I'm the one who imports and we share the profit. All the rice that is imported duty-free and sugar, I import on behalf of William Ruto. I'm the one who funds his politics and his life. So my word here in Nakuru is final. And if you don't do it, you will be on transfer tomorrow. So the police went there. They are so shaken, yet they know it is illegal to stop the meeting. So wakiwa hapo wakamwambia Medho, si tuko tu kazi, wacha tujifanya tunatupatia gas kidogo kidogo, lakini tutatupa different direction. Kwa sababu hata nyinyi hiyo maneno mnasema sisi tuko ndani ya hiyo maneno. The police told them, we are also part of, we are suffering. This man is nobody in Kenya. He's not a government official. The fact that he does business with the President William Ruto, he is lording over everybody in Nakuru, threatening us, saying he is the president of Nakuru. So William Ruto, I want to ask you, why don't you do business with Samburu, muendelea biashara? But you cannot make him in charge of police operations in Nakuru or elsewhere in the country. You know, hata kama anakutengenezea faida, si wewe mwenyewe utafute mtu mwingine akuambia polisi vile watafanya, instead of him intimidating people in that Nakuru. Na sisi tumesema, fine. Since we cannot work on that guy because there's nothing we can do, I have told my people and the people of Nakuru to punish him, his wife, one time. Huyu Susan Keheka, I have already told the people of Nakuru, for what Boro is doing, akitumia jina ya Ruto kuangaisha watu ya Nakuru, to punish him, bibi yake, Susan Keheka akuwe. Akitaka kuhamia Sogoi, wakae huko na Ruto, waendelee. So mimi nimeshukuru sana, and I really wanted to assure you, not to be worried. We have got a good plan. And they had tried to isolate the people of the mountain and coin 41 verses 1, lakini Kenya wamekataa. Mimi nimetafuta makuzo, mashemeji, mabros, masiste. We are one big team. Hii mtu tutakimbiza yeye kama baisikeli ya kuibiwa. 7+1 by saa 2. And Gen Zs will help us to protect our vote, to make sure they are in every polling station. So the church, I want to thank you. Ikanyi huyu alikuwa ametutafutia nyumba hapo Kivutu. Amesema vizuri sana that your activities are around the churches. I want to thank the Church of Christ for what you are doing for our community here abroad. And you people, Kenyan people, please stay together. Love one another. Support each other. Because you are in foreign land. Nyinyi lazima muchungane. Buffaloes don't move together in a herd because they love one another. It's the danger of walking alone. If you look at the wild mist migration at the Mara, his wild zikitembea. When the lions try to attack them, they are able to fight them off. But along the way, one of the beasts gets injured and is unable to walk faster. And the others walk and leave it behind. Within 5 minutes, imechukuliwa, imekuwa nyama. Never walk alone. Please stay together as the people of Kenya. Take care of each other. Tafuteni makazi na mashemeji. Si ndio? Na kazi ni anybody anataka William Ruto akuwe wandamu. That is the definition of cousin. Makuzo mko? Hi kuzo. Hi kuzo. Please, we are communities. And I've told you, even the Kalenjin, they are crying as much as everybody else is crying. Because the cost of fuel, there is no one that is cheaper for the Kalenjin. It's the same cost. Kila jamii inalalamika because of bad governance. So we need to work on our country together. But with the leadership of Gikonyo, mkubaliane yale maneno mnataka tufanye na nyinyi diaspora. Na mimi, I want to promise, hii Los Angeles consulate, hiyo, tukipata serikali, tutapatia mtu ya diaspora, achunge mambo yenu hapo. Hiyo Washington DC hapo embassy, mutajaa huko. Because you are the one who understands what needs to be done here in the States. You understand the challenges of Kenyans here. You know the business opportunities. You know how we can grow trade between us and the Americans. Because you have been around for a long time. And you understand these Americans. So you are the best people to advise our government on how we can sell our products here. How do we bring our tea here? How do we bring our coffee? Nijaribu kumwambia William Ruto, wacha tuweke hiyo watu ya diaspora kwa embassy. Sasa bana, acha na hiyo watu. Hiyo watu wacha wangaike huko. You know? Ameenda ametafuta mtu ya kwao, ameleta hapa Washington. Tangu akuje amekutana tu na jamii yake, he has not met Kenyans. He has not bothered to find out what is happening among the Kenyan people here. So I want to make a promise that we'll agree that our missions abroad, the diaspora brigade, you have learned people, experienced people to run those embassies and run them efficiently for the benefit of Kenyans, for the benefit of our country, and for improvement of trade and good relations with the people of America.